whole nose has gone purple.
What do you mean?
Violet, you're turning violet. What's happening?
Well, I told you I hadn't quite got it right, because it goes a little funny when it gets to the dessert. It's the blueberry pie that does it. I'm terribly sorry.
What is up, Sahony.b family? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing this Willy Wonka chocolate factory. The little girl that eats so much gum and she got some weird reaction and started turning purple. That's what we're going for today. This look is definitely a recreation of the one and only Ellie. She's freaking amazing, you guys. She blew out with this look. And it's just a fucking genius idea, and I had to do it. I had to share with you guys. So I'll also link her video. She also has a tutorial on it if you guys want to check it out. Oh my god, you guys, before we even go on, I gotta show you my new lighting. Look at this, look at this. It turns every color that I want. I'm so happy. Oh my god, this is like the funnest thing ever. I had to share with you guys. It's super cool. So I got this lighting from Amazon, you guys. I'm just gonna show you quickly before we even start, just because it is super bomb and I know you guys gonna ask me. So this is actually a outdoor LED flood lights, you guys. It's very intense, but oh my god, I thought it would be freaking awesome to use it for my background, especially for now for Halloween looks. I don't have a lot of variety on how to change my background, so I thought it would be the freaking perfect idea just to get one of these lights to change my background whenever I'm doing looks. I thought it was like the coolest idea ever. Again, the lights are LED. They're very bright, you guys, and it has a whole bunch of different colors. Look at even the remote control right here. This is all of the colors. You can also like lower the, as you can see, like it'll turn off, and you could go super high as well. Look at that. It's so bomb, you guys. It has a whole bunch of different colors, which I love. This is literally like a remote control, and you don't even have to like be next to it for it to work. It actually works from distance as well, which I love about that. But yeah, you guys, I just want to really show you this light in case you're interested. I'll link all the details down below. It's a bomb for doing makeup looks. I would never recommend it though for using it in front of your face because it's so bright. I don't think that will be healthy for your eyes. But if you guys want to like another idea for lighting for like Halloween looks, or even for your house, you guys, these lights, oh my god, I don't know if you follow me on my Instagram, but I did show you guys there that my house looked completely blue. It was just with one of those lights. That's how crazy it can make your house look completely different. I love the lighting, you guys. Thank you so much to Sahony for sending these over. And no, you guys, this is not sponsored. This is not, I'm not being paid to say this. I just really thought I should share with you because it's a freaking bomb idea to change your background. And you can use any background, you guys, like, and put the lights right in front of the backdrop, and it'll change it to like a whole bunch of colors, and it'll give this like gradient effect, which I love. It's so freaking pretty. But yeah, my loves, I hope you guys enjoy this. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and use this Morphe brow product in the shade Java. Okay, you guys, so my brows are pretty much done. Remember, she is this child, so you don't really have to do too much, but just for the sake of me being a freaking adult, I want it to be super glamorous. So I'm gonna go ahead and prep my eyes. I'm gonna be using this Morphe gel liner in the shade Voodoo, and I'm gonna be applying that all over our eyelids. Oh, this is actually too dark. Oh. So I'm just using this as a base. I'm super confused if my brush was just too dirty, or because this does not look like that, so I confused. So I'm just gonna go back and add this gel liner, which is in the shade Vitamin C. And I'm gonna go ahead and start blending the edges of this look. Okay, you guys, so once again, this is just a base, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this Huda Beauty palette. This is the Desert Dust eyeshadow palette by Huda Beauty, and I'm gonna start with that purple shade right in the middle, right here. And you see, you guys, it'll start looking more like violet, which is what we're looking for. Next, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take the shade Twilight right here. And next, you guys, I'm just gonna take a regular black shade and kind of create a wing. Not a wing, but more like creating a line just right on top of my lash line, like that. Like that, you guys. Super short. Again, I don't want to do too much drama, even though we are, but you know me. And yes, you guys, of course, we're putting lashes on. I'm using this AllureTheory lashes, you guys. And actually, before I put my lashes on, I think I'm gonna add some glitter, but I'm gonna be using this glitter injection glitter in the shade Feeling Like a Mermaid, this beautiful purpley shade that I have to apply. Like that, you guys. Literally, I took the slightest bit and it just did amazing job. I love their glitter. Now I'm happy, super happy. I love glitter. Glitter is my life. Okay, now let's go ahead and put some lashes on. Okay, you guys, so for my lower lash, I'm going to keep it super simple, kind of like what I do almost every time. I'm gonna go ahead and take the darkest shade of the palette out, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take the amethyst purple one. And first I'm going to apply this one very close to my lash line, and then the purple shade, I'm just going to smudge it. Another tip that I can give you guys is to apply liner on your waterline to make the eye look more dolly-like and more like youthful. I cannot find my freaking nude liner, so I'm sorry, but yeah. Okay. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take my Huda Beauty foundation, just because this has very nice coverage and I want to cover up. And what I love about this look, you guys, is that it's super quick, super easy. You could do it on yourself, you could do it on your kids, and it'll be super cute. And for the outfit, it's so simple because I believe using like a little purple sweater or a purple turtleneck, which you can find pretty much anywhere, I believe. And it looks so cute, like, oh my god. And you don't have to put too much shit on your face either. So, okay, you guys, so since we're going for a full of glam, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of black liner on my waterline. I can't stand my waterline right now, I don't know why. Okay, regardless, now we're gonna go start and creating the where she starts turning purple by the reaction that she got. So I'm gonna have to go with this gel liner in the shade Vitamin C by Morphe, and then apply the purple shade on top of it and see how it goes. So I'm just gonna apply that on my nose, and of course you want to keep it as close to your nose as possible. And you can even use your fingers, you guys, to kind of like blend it in. Okay, you guys, so that's pretty much it. That's how I'm gonna leave it, just because I don't want to like overdo it. Again, this is just supposed to be something super easy and quick. The main focus for me is basically the eyes, and you don't even have to do that because the whole look is just basically the nose and blending it in with your fingers. Now, you guys, I'm just gonna take a little bit of that purple shade right there and just kind of feather it just a little tiny bit, like on the outer parts, like that, just to make it look a little bit more dramatic. I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of mascara. And for the lips, you guys, I'm just gonna use a little bit of this lip tint by Revlon, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit on the inside of my lips. As you guys know, she always chewing gum, so I have a gum now. Wow. And you also can put a little bit of paint on your hand, so make it look more realistic. But other than that, you guys, this is the final look. I really hope you babes enjoyed it. I think this is super easy, super quick, fun. It looks cute. You can buy a cheap wig from Amazon, honey, $20. You can get face paint also from Walmart now, super affordable, you guys. You can do this look so quick, so easy. That's why I want to show you, and shout out to Ellie because she's the real MVP for coming out with this look. It's beautiful, I love it. Make sure you guys subscribe, thumbs up if you guys like this video. Let me know if you want to see more Halloween's look. I'm really not into it this year. It's cute, I love it. Peace.